Good morning. So back down in the spot where we saw the fox. And as I walked round, I saw the fox once. It was walking up a path towards me, and then it spotted me and went off. So I've come and just sat down here again. And twice I've just seen it poke its head out down the path as it was coming down the path. Looked at me, disappeared the first time, and then came out again and looked at me again. So I'm hoping if we sit here for a little while it might reappear, but or it might have just decided it's had enough of looking at me. I'm not exactly in my best camouflage today. It's a really warm day, lovely day. I've got these big white arms floating around, which are going to scare any wildlife off. So I really need to make a bit of effort next time, I guess. I've got this nice cap on. This is new look cap. What do you think? So yeah, just going to just going to sit here for a while. I can hear cuckoos around again. There's woodpeckers around. There was a woodpecker up in this tree until I turned up. I didn't realise it was there. So there's plenty of stuff going on around us. Let's see if we can get some photos. I really would love to capture this fox though today. It's a beautiful day for it, absolutely stunning. So yeah, sit quietly and let's see what happens.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I just got so close. There was a cuckoo in the tree at the back of me, so I turned around to see the cuckoo, see where it was, see if I could spot it and see what it was up to. And as I turned back round, I was standing up to get the cuckoo. As I turned back round, the fox was right out in the open down there. Again, looking back up at me. So I took a couple of shots off, but they're not going to be any good. I think they're going to be too blurred even to post. I might just put one up on top of here now, just so you can see if it's really bad. But yeah, frustrating. That's about that's what third, fourth time I've seen it now today, and I haven't got a decent shot. That's poor. That's really bad. You know, it's just so hard. There's so much going on around. You know, with the cuckoos, the woodpeckers, and everything else. It's just hard to focus. I'm guessing he's not going to be back, because that's twice now. He's been a couple of times going through that way. He's obviously looking for food, and now he's gone back that way, and my gut feeling is that's where the den is, in that sort of direction, although I don't really know. But you know, it's getting a little bit later now, 9 o'clock now, so I say my gut feeling is he's probably not going to be back today, but we'll sit out a bit longer. It's great here anyway, you know, lovely and peaceful, apart from an aeroplane just gone over the top. But other than that, it's really peaceful. I did shoot off a couple of shots of the cuckoo as he got chased out of the tree by something, so shot a couple of frames off the cuckoo, but again, not quite sure whether I got it or not. It was down in the level of the trees and things, so it's quite difficult. I mean, it did pop at one stage, but it's quite difficult when the trees are in the background and you've got something like that flying fairly quick. It's quite difficult to focus on it. But again, if there's anything, any decent images of the cuckoo, then I'll certainly put those up. Yeah, gonna probably sit around here for another hour or so, I guess. See what happens. Let's hope that fox comes back. It looks like, apart from one pretty poor shot of the fox, it's going to evade me again today. But I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep trying for this. I quite like a challenge like this, as if you've seen some of my previous videos, maybe, you know, if you watch my challenge with the kingfish, you're trying to find the kingfish, and I'll put a link to that up above and in the description below. You know, I like a challenge. So the fox seems to be around the area in the mornings, fairly regularly. I've seen it at least 2 days in a row now, so to me that's fairly regular. Yeah, so we'll be back down, see if we can find it. In the meantime, let's go have a bit more of a walk around and see if we can bring you guys anything else.
Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do.
Can you hear the cuckoo? The cuckoo's over there. Just seen it go and land in one of the trees. So I'm making my way over that way. Seems to be flying around this area. Excuse me if I'm out of breath. I'm moving a bit quicker than normal. Let's go and see if we can find this cuckoo. Unfortunately, the tree where it was in was further away than I thought. It took me quite a while to get there. And it was on the far side of the tree when I got there, so I couldn't see it while it was in the tree. Then it flew out, but it flew out the back side of the tree and across. So it was a little bit distant. Fired off quite a few shots. Might have something, but it will be a bit distant, so not really the shot we're looking for, but we may have something. Whew, that's worn me out. It's blooming hot out here today.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future
just walked past the lake, just tried to get a couple of shots of some of the terns. And terns are beautiful birds to me. They're like one of the sports cars of the bird world. They're so sleek, elegant, and superb to watch them diving, fishing, scooping up water. Yeah, a bit difficult because it was a fishing lake, so there's a wire fence around it, so it wasn't easy to get them, but hopefully got a couple of pictures of the terns. It's great to see them back. So they are one of my favourites, definitely. Well, I think that's going to be about it from me today. Chasing the cuckoos wore me out. So yeah, another weird day really. Good, saw lots of things. Bad, really don't feel I got a shot I really want. But you know, that's wildlife photography for you. It's really hard. You don't always get the shots you want. When you do, it's amazing though. So that's why we do it. That's why we come out here for all hours, just trying to capture these images. So yeah, hopefully you like the video. Hopefully you like my new hat too. And if you do like it, thumbs up below for me. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. Regularly bring your videos out and about, quite a few in the garden as well. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.